This is the Mi Computer Monitor Light Bar, which gives you extra computer lighting whether you need light on the monitor screen and keyboard or your laptop. It has a magnetic rotation, it is lightweight and does not take up a lot of space. It has a metal body and a cool wireless remote control. Let's check this out. Let's go. What's up Xiaomi fans, Christian here, welcome back to All About Me. I think I may have found the perfect computer light. You'll know the reason in a bit. And this is currently selling at Banggood at a discounted price. I got this only for £32. You can check the link in the description below if you do want to purchase this. Alright, so let's check what's inside the box. Inside the box we can find the light bar body, we also have the base, we have the remote control with two AAA batteries, we also have the user manual and the power cable. It is very easy to set up and probably not compatible with those monitors with very thin bezels because the stand grips onto the monitor, which could cause a slight light bleeding in the area, but it sits perfectly on mine. The light bar itself attaches to the stand via magnets and draws power via the USB-C to USB-A cable. You can either connect it to the USB port at the back of the monitor or your computer or even a power supply, or you can also use a power bank. I like the design as it is not something that many people will notice and virtually undetectable during the day. And the base can be attached to a different monitor thickness as it can be adjusted. The convenient remote control uses a 2.4 GHz wireless connection and lets you adjust the color temperature and brightness according to your preference. First install the batteries and it will automatically pair with the light bar. Here are some of its controls. We have rotating clockwise will increase the brightness and counterclockwise will dim the light bar. Press and hold and rotate counterclockwise will change it to a warmer light tone. And you can press and hold and rotate clockwise and switch it to a cooler light tone. And the light temperature is between 2700 to 6500 Kelvin. A single press to turn it on and turn it off. And here are the pros and cons for this Mi Computer Light Bar. First, I love the design of the light bar and the remote control. The light bar is very easy to set up as well as the remote control, and it's fairly easy to use. It would be nice if this remote control will have its own internal battery. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you on the next video.